Two high school friends, Tim and Sarah, met in the emergency room. Both wearing masks, and visibly irritated. Tim, Sarah, what are you doing here? Sarah, oh, my parents heard about the SACE report. They panicked and brought me in because I sneezed twice. Tim, twice? Luxury. I coughed once and my mom rushed me here. Like I was a ticking time bomb. After waiting for hours, the doctor finally came out. Doctor, good news. You're both negative for COVID. Bad news. You're positive for overly dramatic parent syndrome. There's no cure, but it's not contagious unless you have kids. Both teens burst into laughter.